about a week or two ago in some of the videos I was doing, I kept calling it my favorite car. And it's like, I can't decide which one's my favorite. We're getting some amazing cars. This is another one of my favorites. It's a 72 Pontiac Formula, complete Pro Touring, body off frame, fresh build. There's like 50 miles on this car. They did it so tastefully. Complete custom interior, LS3 motor, 4L60 overdrive, ride tech suspension, beautiful smoky blue-gray paint. I love this car. They did a nice job. Go to volocars.com and pick which one's your favorite. There's 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, it's got the scooped hood. I like that. The Trans Am had the scoop in the middle. The Formula 400 had the scoops up here. It's a fiberglass hood. Fits beautifully. The bumper's in excellent condition. Fits very nicely. The bodywork is outstanding. This is slick as glass, all straight, smooth, all the way to the bottom. The roof, the big doors, the sport mirrors, all of this is outstanding. All the gaps are right. The jambs are slick as the outside. The sail panel, no issues. All this is fantastic, beautiful, all pristine metal and paint. Has the low profile dovetail spoiler. The bumper is color matched to the car. All fantastic fit, finish, and body. It is a metal flake. Again, it's like a smoky blue. I love this color. In person, it's even so much better. Again, the gaps right on the money, square and flush. These are big, long doors. Look how big that door is. Shuts real nice. I put the window up. It's all new smoked glass. All this is fantastic. Now, the trim, it says a modern Firebird emblem. The trim is done in like a gray, a matte finished gray. I really like that. Has some custom louvers here in the hood, done in the gray. The grille, the bezels, all in that gray color. LED headlights. Now, there are hairline cracks in the paint. Almost every GTO, every rubber bumper car I see has that. You can barely feel just a couple of them, so they're pretty insignificant. The bumper itself is in excellent shape with no damage. All new glass, unfortunately, has a few wiper marks. I don't know what they did there, but it did leave some wiper marks. It's like a flush mount windshield and back window, just a rubber seal around it. All the rubber and weather strips are replaced. All this trim is that matte gray, including the door handles. 18-inch Riddler wheels, nice looking wheels. A little bit of an off color here, a little bit brighter here, a little bit wider in the back. They're all wrapped in Nitto performance tires. Taillight lenses look new. The fuel door behind the license plate, if you remember that. Outstanding fit and finish, beautiful exterior, the stance, the colors, the wheels, everything about it. 2 thumbs up. Let's look inside. It's going to impress you too. I'm still super excited about this car. It's nice. Has a gas strut to lift it open real nice for us. Painted just as slick in here in the jamb. Nice weather strip. Look at the spotless metal inside, all neatly spatter painted. It even comes with a nice car cover for you. You can see the tail lights, how they, that matte gray I was talking about. Very nice choice. I like everything they did with this car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these videos are posted. I'm getting some of the most amazing cars through here. The jambs are as slick as the outside. The weather strips fit real nice. Complete custom interior. You can see the custom molded door panels, like a suede insert, built-in speakers. Now we're going to light up the dash. There's a switch somewhere because it's a push button start. There's a switch I got to pull somewhere. New ashtray. But it's like a carbon fiber insert, all custom gauges. Vintage air, electric slides. Here's the push button start. air conditioning vent. This is for the Pontiac fuel injection. There's a plug for the stereo. It is a retro stereo. It says Pontiac right on it. All nice and clean. Kick panels are clean. Carpet's real nice and clean. So it has a B&M slapstick shifter here. Real nice shifter. Real nice center console with an armrest and cup holders. TMI seats, they're so comfortable. I'm sitting in here and it just holds you in place. They're nice and firm. They're good looking. Back seat done to match. All the carpet's real nice. You got a painted roll bar here, which you still get in and out of the back seat no problem and give you something to hold on to. And a lot of times these roll bars also keep the car from twisting. Custom rear shelf with raised custom speaker grills. All the plastic trim and side panels are real nice. Has a cloth like suede headliner. The mirror looks new. Has a nice cushion grip wheel with the Firebird Trans Am logo in the middle. It's a tilt column. They do have sound deadener underneath the carpet in here. Yeah, it's a really, really cool interior. I like it. Again, I like all their choices on this car. That's an LS3 430 horsepower motor. Up on top, it has a tin intake, Pontiac electronic fuel injection system, carbull coils, stainless steel headers, nice aluminum covers, nice dipsticks. The whole engine bay is painted up real nice. Has these billet hinges that I really love. They operate so smoothly. Real nice battery cables. A CVF front runner system. It's all black with some polished accents, all billet brackets and nice pulleys, serpentine belt, mini compressor. Modern alternator, modern power steering with the remote reservoir right here. You got this nice air intake tube, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. You can see there's some sound deadener in there. That keeps the vibration and the rattles down is what that does. Nice satin gray details in here as well. Power brakes with a Willwood master cylinder, new wiper motor. So yeah, that's a fresh motor compartment. Remember, this thing's got like no miles on it. LS3 motor with all the goodies, looking good, and Michael's going to show you how it runs. See you in a few minutes.
Got a super slick Pro Touring Firebird here today. This thing's just got a boatload of upgrades. Let's start with the engine. LS3 rated at 430 horsepower, and then it has the 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. Also a 9-inch rear end with 730 gears out back. That's a posi, of course. And so yeah, you should be able to put some highway miles on this one cruising, but I tell you, man, it's a lot of suspension upgrades. Definitely get on our website, check out pictures of the undercarriage. You know, it's tubular and it's coilovers and it's got the works, really. Fresh build with only 50 miles showing on the odometer. And these really gorgeous gauges. I've never seen these before. I'm not sure who makes them. But they're extremely attractive. Really digging them. Fuel injection for turnkey reliability. Let's see what she's got. Okay. All right. And just like that, up to 60 miles an hour with absolutely no issue at all. Looks like we're holding steady at about 2,000 RPMs, 60 miles an hour. So that is very good. Absolutely. These seats are great. They're TMIs. Got a whole bunch of support and feel very comfortable. Also, let's see how she goes down the road. I don't know if we'll get a true. Yeah, it's set up pretty nice. Very good alignment on it. Steering's very tight also. You can tell that it has the upgraded gearbox and everything like that. So yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself. You're absolutely gonna love it. And check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So the underneath is just as meticulous and fresh. Every single component was removed, the frame off, all the parts were removed. The floors are spotlessly clean, rust-free floors. Has a ride tech suspension. Up front is all tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks, sway bar. It's an upgraded steering box. Yeah, it's a fat sway bar. I can see it from here. All the steering components and linkage all replaced. In the back, similar deal. It's a RideTech 4-link system with tubular control arms and the coil-over adjustable gas shocks. Has a nice all stainless steel exhaust system with the X pipe. Willwood disc brakes at all 4 wheels. There's 6 piston calipers in front, drilled and slotted rotors. They're 4 piston in back. All the lines and e-brake cables, all that was replaced. All new fuel system, compatible with the fuel injection system. You look up at the motor, clean aluminum oil pan, high torque starter, 4L60 overdrive automatic transmission, custom drive shaft. It's a heavy-duty Curry 9-inch rear end with some posi gears. I mean, they've got this car dialed in sweet. It's fresh, ready for someone to enjoy. All the work's been done for you. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your 72 Pontiac delivered home. And if you need help with financing, they can do that too. Thanks for watching.